Today let's talk about the assembly of a casino platform, which is a multi-phase process. Everything from planning to promoting should be elaborated perfectly to ensure a high user appreciation. Here are the 5 main stages for building a casino platform: business plan composition, website development, software integration, application for a license, and advertising campaign. Let's get into details. The first step is business plan composition. Every serious project starts on paper. In the case of a gambling platform, it is a document that works as a checklist for further business setup and subsequent running. So, what information is included in a business plan? First of all, an executive rundown of an idea. Next step, which is also crucial, is a market analysis. Also, you have to come up with the details about the brand. Audience investigation is a must for a successful project. Budget planning is another highly important step. Progression strategy is the final point of the business plan. The next thing we will talk about is a website development. While mobile platforms are slowly but steadily overrunning the iGaming arena, modern gambling brands still focus on in-browser entertainment. That is why a casino site should be elaborated according to the latest industry standards and trends. What an operator should consider during the portal creation. The general embellishment of the site. Structure of pages and menus. The text content and keyword relevance. Peculiarities of portable and desktop versions. Servers and hosting. Of course, it is important to remember about the software integration. A website might be the backbone of a casino, but programming support is its heart. An operator has to order entertainment and administrative components from renowned software manufacturers. A standard set of entertainment on a casino site covers such offers as virtual slots, variations of roulette, poker, blackjack, baccarat, and other card alternatives, sweepstakes activities, and live content. While players gladly enjoy a variety of games, an operator and his team have to monitor their experience to solve problems and improve participation. Urgent administrative tools comprise CRM system, analytical instruments, report-generating software, payment gateways, and security measures. Next important step in starting a casino is application for a license. Since gambling operation is all about financial assets, it is obliged to be registered officially. Special gaming commissions grant working permits to operators who are willing to offer their services on the premises of those countries. At the same time, it is also possible to obtain a license from a foreign jurisdiction. If an area has a regulated iGaming sphere, its dedicated commission can offer legal working permits to market participants for an official operation and prestigious legality support. Some destinations do not have regulated entertainment spheres but also do not restrict such activities. Operators register their projects in foreign states for legal entrance to the cherished market. And finally, the advertising campaign elaboration. The popularity of a casino is related to the spent marketing efforts. Trust me, it will pay off, so do not save on it. The more productive an advertising campaign will be, the bigger the audience and your profit will be. Viable players acquisition and retention approaches comprise social media marketing, search engine optimization, affiliate partnership, content marketing, variety of bonuses, loyalty programs, VIP perks and statuses. Just 5 steps separate an entrepreneur from a lucrative gambling project. To guarantee risk-free creation of a casino, an operator can resort to an aggregator company. Online casino market introduces a turnkey solution that includes all the phases necessary for the setup of the iGaming project. You can also order individual services for the upgrade of existing platforms according to the latest tendencies. Contact us to buy gambling products and subscribe to our YouTube channel and learn more about starting a gaming project.